Hi, my name is Juan Gil. I'm an account manager for Creaform. We manufacture 3D scanners, and what we have here is the GoScan 50. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna scan the inside of this boat, more of the floor, for a client that needs to do most customized items. So what we're gonna do is I put some targets on the floor, and then with the GoScan we're just gonna acquire the geometry all over around. All right. So I am ready to scan, and you just need to point and shoot. We're gonna project some white light, and the cameras will capture the deformation of the white light, and also the cameras will triangulate the location using the targets. And as you can see, it's reconstructing the surface as you scan. It's already an STL file that is ready to use and to process. You can see how fast it's scanning. We're talking about almost 500,000 points per second. It's very, very fast. You see what I have? Here, you can see here the screen. Just put a big screen. Here's the file. As you can see, you have the perfect geometry, and with this you're gonna have an STL file that is ready to use for reverse engineering, for quality control, for design purposes. You can even take it into a 3D printed and have a 3D print this part to make whatever object that you wanna put in the boat. So that's it. Thanks for your time.